In today's video, I will walk you through how to delete Replit account. If you've decided to remove your Replit account, the option is available inside your account and billing settings. Before continuing, keep in mind that deleting your account removes your profile, your projects, and any associated data. If there's anything you want to keep, make sure you've already saved or exported it from your workspace before you continue. If you have an active paid plan, you'll also see it reflected in the billing section that we'll be using during this process. Start from your Replit dashboard. In the top left corner, click the Replit logo to open the main menu. Once the menu appears, select Account. This will take you to your account settings, where you'll find your profile and account management options. From there, open the billing section. This is where you'll see your current plan, payment details, and subscription controls. It's also where you'll begin the account deletion process. Inside the billing section, click Manage Subscription. If you're using the free plan, you'll still have a Manage option available. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll slightly before you see it. The option may appear as either a button or a link. Select it to open the subscription management page. Once you're on the subscription management page, look for Request Account Deletion and click it. This is where Replit lets you begin the process of permanently removing your account. After selecting that option, a confirmation prompt will appear. Read the information carefully so you understand what will be removed and whether the action can be undone. Once you've reviewed everything and you're ready to continue, confirm the account deletion request. After you confirm, Replit will begin processing your request. As part of the process, you may be signed out of your account, and your account will be scheduled for removal according to Replit's policies. To quickly recap, click the Replit logo from your dashboard, choose Account, open the Billing section, select Manage Subscription, click Request Account Deletion, and then confirm the deletion request. If you decide not to continue before confirming, simply leave the billing page or go back without confirming, and no changes will be made to your account. And that's all there is to it. Those are the steps to delete your Replit account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helped you complete the process quickly and easily.